Hello. Today I am going to unbox Target's cleaner beauty box that they have. I found it in store and it looked like this. People have always known that Target is a go-to place for affordable beauty stuff. So Target has started these cleaner, now they put in cleaner option in their beauty boxes. And these beauty boxes are usually around $10, $15-ish. And it's really good because it allows you to sample a bunch of products that they may have in the store. And it seems that because they know that people are opting for cleaner beauty options now, that they've started putting cleaner beauty products into the boxes. So I came across this particular one in whichever one store. I think I was in Long Island. No, I was in New Jersey, and I saw this one. And it's called the Fresh Finds box. On the replay, I will link it because they do have it on the website. So I'll make it easier for you to go check it out if you are interested in it at all. And it comes with this, like, it's supposed to be like a spin dial thing, but my daughter, she pulled the arrow off. You know how 3-year-olds are. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in it. And I just opened it up and it had a coupon. So a lot of the beauty boxes that they've had in the past, especially for the sample ones, they want you, or travel size boxes, and the products are usually around travel size. So and it doesn't say it on the outside like, oh, open it up and you're gonna get this $5 coupon. No, but it does. When you open it up, you'll see spend $15, you'll get $5 off. And it includes cosmetics, skincare, hair care, personal care, but it does exclude certain brands. So this makes the box this is $15-ish, okay? It already makes it much a value. So in the box, if you open it up, it looks like this, okay? And that's not bad for $15 plus $5 or a $5 coupon, right? One has cleaner beauty products in it, okay? It has the Tom's Natural Strength Creamy Coconut Deodorant, and I've not tried this one, but that's a good size, right? 2 ounces, that's a good size one that you can go and check it out and, get a good use from. It also has this toner, the Witch Hazel from Humphreys alcohol-free toner with rose. That's not bad. That's a good size. That's 8 ounces. There's Luster and Lum collagen peptides in the box. It has from Theory. It has the what is it? Fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste, but it's made to remineralize enamel, with no dyes, paraben, SLS, no artificial flavors. Okay, so as I mentioned, cleaner options in the Target beauty box. Eva NYC dry shampoo. See, now here's the thing. Now people in the replay are gonna have to explain this to me. I've never been a dry shampoo user, and I don't know if it's because it's just my hair texture or something, but I don't know what it's supposed to do. Feel free to educate me as to what the dry shampoo is supposed to do. There's also the lightning wand from Hero that's in the box, and it's a dark spot brightening serum. This Spring and Vine shampoo bar, I've been seeing this in the store, and this looks like the actual size of the regular one that you get when you purchase in the store. And I saw this on the Shelby, I think that's her name. She has a YouTube channel and she talks about sustainability. She's like super sustainable, and different products that she only lives like, you know how it is. She's zero waste and everything, but you know, as zero waste as can be, because really there is no absolute zero wasting. Is that a word? But now that I look at it, it has plastic on the inside. So I don't think they'd be excited about that. That is a shampoo bar, and I've been meaning to try them out anyway because I've seen them in the store, and they have no synthetic fragrance, sustainable beauty, concentrated formula. So that's good because I'm pretty sure this is like a full-size bar. There's also Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. This is decent size. I don't even know. I think this is like the full size. Maybe we are playing ourselves by not getting these beauty boxes, because this here looks like a full size of the Cocoa Kind product, along with, like I mentioned, this Spring and Vine. Yeah, it has this Cocoa Kind full product in it. I'm pretty sure this full product, and a silicone mask. So I guess you're supposed to use that with one of these products, and they're not very specific on which one they were used. But all of this, basically all of this, for $15 plus a $5 coupon, that's not bad. Cocoa Kind is one of the most underrated products in Target, to be honest with you, and in general. On top of the fact that they're very accessible, they're in a lot of different places, and they keep their prices at a competitive price point with other products that are already in Target. I think that makes this I think it's make it worth its while just from this particular item to me. Who would I think this is for? Okay, let's put it back to that. This particular box is great for anyone who's new to cleaner beauty options and they don't want to spend a lot of money and they want to see what is really good, or just tinker in it without spending a whole lot of money. I also like that they used a bunch of different festive colors, because that attracts younger shoppers. A lot of younger shoppers that are in Target, they're looking around, and they all of the other type of products and beauty products that might be not the cleanest, okay, let's just put it that way, they use all this fantastic sparkly pink and purple and pastel-y looking packaging, and I think that's one of the bigger things, or the biggest opportunities I feel that the people in the clean beauty space should somehow tap into, is the fact that younger people are going to be using these products as well, or should be using them, but they're not as attractive as far as packaging sometimes compared to a lot of the other ones that are on the market that have sparkles and glitter and sequins and pink and purple and pastel, because my daughter is the super girly. She likes everything that's pink and purple and sparkly and stuff. So that's a big opportunity for them. I think that they need to look into. But as a recap, I do recommend, and I will link in the replay, the $15 beauty box that Target does offer. They need to have more of these. So Target, you can keep doing this. If you do like my shirt, I do have it linked in my bio, and you can go and check it out, because I am a plant mama as well. So we're gonna go. Bye.
Bye.